Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com. Today's topic is going to be the report. What's a report? We often hear about reports. We hear about reports on the television. We look at the news for a news report, or read newspapers for a written report, or even listen to the radio for the news report on the radio. Well, a report essentially is the facts about an incident or accident or some thing of that nature. I want to remind you that with this topic, I have a great little workbook that will be especially needed today because we're going to be looking at how we write reports. Now, before we look at reports, we need to understand what's fact from what's opinion. All right, and this is very big in terms of understanding reports. As I said, reports are about the facts of an incident. So, if you can write on that, the report essentially is about the facts of an incident. So, let's see if we can establish what's the difference between facts and opinions. Can anyone tell me? What's the difference between a fact and an opinion? Yeah, that's it. Exactly. Facts can be tested and verified to see whether or not they're true. So, a fact may be tested or verified. To verify means you check to see if it's true or not. So a fact may be tested or verified. So let me write some facts here for you on this whiteboard, and we'll test them. First fact says there are 7.009 billion people on Earth. Now, why is this a fact? It's a fact because we can check. We can check all the different countries, look at the census, see how many people are there in every country, and then I add this up. And this is a fact because I tested it recently, about a few days ago, and there were 7.009 billion people on Earth. That's a lot of people. A second fact. Let's see if we can test this. I am 100 kilograms in weight. It's a fact. I could go onto the scale and I'll see if I weigh 100 kilograms, which unfortunately I don't. I weigh more than 100 kilograms. So in this case, the fact was tested and it has proven false because the scale said I might be just a little, maybe a little more than 100 kilograms. That's the beauty about a fact. We can test it to see if it's true or not. An opinion isn't like a fact. An opinion simply is a belief. And since we have so many different beliefs, we have many different opinions. One person may say, Manchester United is the best football team in the world. Another person will say, no, that's not true, it's Barcelona. One person may say, I love Rihanna as a singer. Somebody will say, no, I love Nicki Minaj. And you begin to argue because you have different opinions. So, some typical opinions. Let's write it down. Number one, what do I have here? Right, that's it. Rihanna is an awesome singer. Okay, that's an opinion. You can't test that because what are you going to use? What criteria are you going to use? some singers are great. Everybody thinks some singers are great. Other people may say, nah, I don't like her because of A, B, and C. So it's a belief. It's an opinion. Another opinion is that chocolate is the best thing ever invented. I'll just use ever. Chocolate is the best thing ever. That's your opinion. It's your belief. Some person may say, no, I like ice cream. No, I like fruits. You all have different beliefs. And when it comes to report writing is about facts of an incident. So reports deal with facts. What are the facts that we want to report on, that we want to record, that we want to deliver? Okay? So remember that. Reports deal with facts. Thank you for choosing PTI BetterGradesFast.com. See you soon.